Hello and welcome, you guys. I just want to thank all of you. I love all of your comments and you just inspire me. So thank you so much. Okay, so before we get to the video, which is cutting your man's hair, and it's super easy. You're gonna love it, easy peasy. So before we get to that, I would love to share some thoughts from last week. We talked about how our life is like a garden. Is it full of weeds or is it full of seeds? Are we nourishing in the way that we should, or are we allowing the garbage to fill? James Allen said, all that a man achieves and all that he fails to achieve is the direct result of his own thoughts. Isn't that incredible advice? It matters what we think about and what we focus on. At the end of the video, I really would love to give you a life hack. All right, here is JD. Thank you for being the hot model he is. Check him out. No, I appreciate him letting us do this video. I wanted to do a video to help all of you ladies out there that have a man and need to cut their hair quick and easy. I have a number 2 on my clippers. What you do is I like to come around this area and you'll see where I go. And obviously you can use what number you would like. 2 is really nice. A lot of guys, I use the number 2 more than any number. It just keeps it nice and short. So you can see like where I'm going, right? And then I'll show you as soon as I cut the top. Now I use Oster clippers. A lot of people like Wall. You could use a Wall clipper. Okay, and then I just squirt down this hair. You can just start here in the front, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch off. Okay, now if your man has full thick hair through here, you can just keep coming back. Guess I better keep coming back on yours, JD.
That's funny.
That's funny. Now I like a fine tooth comb or one that is tight, that's close together. And you come through here. Oh, I gotta take the guard off. You come here and you're gonna go in and pull out. And that way, this is how you blend that hair on the sides. Now, some people, when they're first learning, if you guys would like to, you can come up and go this way because it's not taking as much hair at a time. If you're used to it, then you can go side to side like this because it takes more hair off at once because you're going all the way along the comb instead of just up like this. Okay, again, let me show you one more time. If you're just starting to get used to it, you can go up like this. Takes a little bit longer, but that is probably gonna make you more comfortable while you get the blending down. And then obviously, the more you do it, the easier it will become. So you guys, you can do it, I know it. At first when you think, oh, cutting a man's hair is easy, right? And some of you are out there probably thinking, I've tried it and it's not as easy as it looks. But with these couple little tips, with the fine tooth comb, bringing it in and then out or going like this, you will get it down. Okay, now what I want to do is just look at him from the front. I'm going to just turn him real fast because you want the sides blended nicely back.
I've never had my hair with that part on that side, and I like it.
What? Really? Has it gone the other way?
Always gone the other way, my whole life.
Well, see, maybe it was just not looking. I like that. That's kind of fun. Actually, I didn't even know I did that, so fun. I'm glad you noticed. You knew it was something that was making it look good up there. Okay, and then just come over here, right where the ear goes. You're just gonna go straight across. Then you move the ear, bring these little trimmers around. And then if you need to clean out their ear, whatever, you can do that too. Okay, again, come right here by the ear. Is out there, I bet, do this. Or you really want to do this to your husband. Take this, come through the eyebrow. You're gonna set it in there. Then you just take those little hairs off. Same here, those little hairs, take off. Ha, now you don't have to tweeze them. Okay, thanks so much, you guys. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for being a trooper and let me, give you some chaos. Anyway, thanks so much and have an awesome day. Changing our mindset is easier than we think. It's actually very necessary for us to grow. Okay, so it's time for the life hack. I would love all of you, every time you go to brush your teeth or grab a cup of coffee, just stop and think, what are your thoughts? Are they positive? Are they negative? I have a challenge for you, and please do it right now. Think of something you are grateful for. Like really, really think about why you're grateful for it, like deep down. I just want you guys to love life, love those people in your life. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing.